Look how unlucky this Pomeranian Chucky is. He's barely staying afloat and looks like he's about to drown. But then his friend Staffordshire Terrier Jessie comes to his rescue. It took many attempts for her to pull out Chucky to dry land. Here's another example of a dog using its wits to help another being. We wonder, was the cat even aware of what happened? And this man was leaving a butcher's when suddenly and this dog doesn't even need walking. That feeling when the dog's life is more interesting than yours. To break out from a vet clinic. He couldn't break down the door, but he did set the other inmates free. Looks like this dog had enough time outdoors and wants to come back in. And watch what it's doing.
Hey, buddy.
And this cat knocking on the door is just as clever. Cats can easily learn some things by copying our behavior, so don't be surprised if your cat does this. Or this. While an iPad can perform about 170 million tasks a second, a cat's brain performs 6 billion tasks. And while you're ordering food for a delivery, a cat sources its own food. Have you ever seen anything like it? Now that's teamwork. Octopi are considered the smartest invertebrates in the world, and if people knew of at least half of their abilities, they would definitely refuse to serve octopus at dishes with a slice of lemon. For example, they can open jars from the inside and from the outside. We know that they make tools from available materials, and check out the way they use their body to crush their prey. By the way, did you know that the coconut octopus can cleverly walk on 2 feet like humans? And they don't even have a solid skeleton, but who cares? Did you think this heron is about to eat this bread? Well, look at this. In the meantime, this bird is teasing a tiger. Now we know why elephants need their trunks. When you're too tired of Instabloggers. What these chimpanzees from Guinea are doing has surprised the scientists. Check it out. They're using long and sturdy sticks to fish out algae in the dry season. Have you subscribed to Interesting Facts yet? And this monkey learned to do the dishes. I wish I had a monkey like that. And here's another way to escape from a zoo. He sharpened the rock specifically for this purpose. This person decided to share a snack with an orangutan, and here's what happened next.
Thank you. Very tasty.
What does your face look like when you're being tickled?
Oh my God, that is awesome!
Oh, that's why they call them busy bees.
Perdidos.
When you're too cool. And this mouse is a pickpocket. Keep an eye on your wallet. And this is a whole new level of courting women. And yet it started off so innocently. To To save itself, this cat not only learned to dive, but also swim underwater. And this cat asks for some meal. Have you seen anything cuter than this? And this smart dog knows something about comfort. Good night. Wait a second. Well, good night for sure now. With such a nanny, parents can be calm. And this bird uses a rock to break into an egg and finally gets the tasty treat. This bear was about to visit his buddy in the nearby forest. Oh, well, we'll have to walk on foot again. Hey, not now, buddy. I'm a bit busy here. If only all the people were as decent as this elephant is. And this dog learned to ask for treats. However, he needs to argue with his owner.
No, I don't like the attitude you've been giving me the past few days. No, I said what I said.
When a dog plays beach volleyball better than you, this 3-year-old baby elephant learned how to slide downhill to have at least some fun. Who said anything about goats being stupid? Look what he's capable of. These kittens know how to entertain themselves. And this crow is throwing away garbage. That's a lot more intelligent than most people. And here is one more awesome example. Watch this crow recycle a plastic bottle.